Hello and welcome to SolSniper. Today I'll demonstrate a high-speed method for spotting and acting on fresh meme coin launches. I'll explain the tool step by step and execute a live trade. Before you guys run the bot, we must set it up. Again, we're gonna go on over to the buy and sell settings, click that, and just to get our feet wet, test everything out, we're just gonna use a minimum amount of 0.05. You guys could use whatever amount you want to use here. The priority fee, I'm just gonna leave it at the 0.001, and for the slippage, which controls the acceptable price change, I have mine set to 50 by default, but the bot always aims for the lowest possible. So I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit. So now, as far as selling our take profit, I'm just gonna leave mine at 50%. And right here, stop loss, protecting your Solana, I'm gonna leave mine at 20%. And for the slippage, I'm also gonna leave my slippage at 50%. And that's just because I want to guarantee that I can get out of this trade. As far as the timeout goes, I'm going to leave mine at 60 seconds. And this is basically if the take profit or the stop loss doesn't match, I could sell after 60 seconds. Priority fee, I'm going to leave it at 0.001. And trailing stop is a little bit of an advanced feature, but it's basically if the price moves up, the stop loss moves up with it. And as far as use your own RPC goes, this is for advanced users who have private nodes, so they can paste their own HTTPS RPC endpoints. Usually, I'll just leave mine off. So before we hit run the bot now, we want to check out these safety features. This is actually super important, so let's click this. So for the top 10 holders, mine is currently at 25. I'm just gonna bump it up to 30 right there. And for the bundled max, this is the maximum bundled percentage we can tolerate. Bundled means that devs bought at the exact same time as he launched token, so this is not a red flag immediately, but percentage of bundles does matter. So let's just go ahead and put bundled max to 20%. And as far as max same block buys, it's the maximal number of the buys in the same block when the token is launched. Many same block buys might indicate insider trading, so I'm just gonna put mine at 20. And remember, you guys can increase or decrease these numbers to your likings. Safety check period, I'm just gonna leave mine at 10 seconds. And as far as all these checkboxes go, I'm just gonna leave all of these empty, and I'm only gonna check this one right here. Only tokens migrated from pump.fun. And the reason for that is it covers the majority of filters that I just left unchecked. So at this point, we already have our funds in the wallet. We already have the SOL that's wrapped. We just went over all the settings for buying and selling. We went over all our safety features. So just make sure that you guys have all that intact. Once you do, it is now time to run this automated bot. Let's go. Right over here, we got a message. It says, bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings at such and such time. Cool. So it's doing its thing. So I'm probably gonna pause the video right here. It's just kind of like looking for the best meme coins right now as they are launching. I'm gonna pause the video. It might take a bit, and I'll come back when we have some action. So right now we have some action going on. I have some messages popping up here, and what it's basically doing is skipping a lot of the garbage. Remember we talked about that is avoiding the rug pulls. It's a bot that's working for us. I'm doing nothing. I'm not manually trading. It's all automated, so I'm gonna pause the video again, and we'll be back when it actually finds something good. All right, so we are in a trade right now. And this day is working awesome. Look at this. We could see the profits moving live. So wow. Let's see if we can expand this a little bit. Look at this. I'm up 11% on this thing. This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. I know we received a big dump right there. Could be just somebody selling, taking profits. Wow, look at it. See? Wow. I mean, that's how markets work, we go up, we pull back, we go up, we pull back. Whatever, let the bot do its thing. Let's chill out. What I want to do is see if I could open one of these on DexScreener to see what is going on here. See if I could pull it up. Alright, so and we're on the 1 second chart right here. Alright, so looks like we sold and we're all out. I didn't do anything, the bot did everything, but what I want to do is I want to pull this up on DexScreener because I know that's what everyone is familiar with. So let's see what's going on with the DEX. I am human, however, I'm using a robot today. Is that okay? Here is what it looks like on DexScreener. So right now, we could see that we sold. And we have a buy sell right here, but I'm on the daily. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on the minute, see what I get here. So it looks like I bought about 1 minute in and I sold the very next minute. Wow, look at that, my sell is higher than my buy. What does that mean? Profit. But what we really want to see right here is the 1 second chart. So I'm just gonna come down here, click on 1 second, and I'm just gonna kind of maximize my chart right here. Okay, and double click on this. Start doing some zoom action. Alrighty. So it looks like, I'm just gonna draw some lines right here. So it looks like we bought in this area right here, or the bot bought in this area right here, and we sold in this area right there. So, wow, I mean, I should have sold up here, but that was probably my settings. So I just wanted to do some test settings here, so I'm super excited to like really get into this, and I'm gonna be making some more videos on SolSniper and how to really dial in and use this going forward. Like I said, this was just a test video. My point of this whole video was to just not manually trade. So I wanted to show you guys how to set this stuff up on autopilot and how fast and accurate this bot is. You could see that we launched right here, and not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop this bot right now. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this SolSniper tutorial video. I hope you guys can get started today. We'll see you soon.